little butter cookies. I'm going to show you how to make a sketchbook. You want a sketchbook to be large enough to sketch in it, although I have seen some people use tiny ones. But for this project, I want you to just begin with 7 pages of 8.5 by 11, which is normal lined paper size. Or you could use the blank printer paper is fine. 7 pages. Then I want you to line them up nicely, and you can tap them, hold them in your hands loosely and tap like that. I wonder how I can show you that. I'll take my tap, 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 tap. So you lay it flat on the table, the packet of papers, 7 papers, and you line up the corners and the edge. You line it up and you stand your fingers on the edge like that. And then keep one finger on the edge and pull one straight back. And that's going to happen. It's kind of fun. Pops up. And then you can take this one, move it back to the other finger, and just press one side, press the other side. So now you have a very thick packet of papers, and it's going to be hard. You might need help. I have these tiny little staplers. I don't know if they're going to work. Let's see. It's a lot easier if you press it down on the table. That's what I'm going to do. Hey, it worked. Okay, so you should be able to do it. You might need to stand up and press down. So, right along, it's nice when you use the lined paper. You don't have to, but it's nice because you can use the blue lines as a marker. I'm just, well, I didn't do this planning type wise, but I want to line my other stapler up kind of where I put this one, which is in between the first 2 blue lines from the folded edge. Don't staple this side, the open side, otherwise you won't be able to get into your sketchbook. So then you want to put your stapler right below where you did the other one. I'm going to press. It's going the opposite way, but that's okay. One is facing up and the other's facing down. That's okay. So now I have my little sketchbook, and I have to decide which side I want to be the front. In English, we open our books from the right side, and the closed part is on the left side. So, but other languages do it differently. And then you can just fold for your first page. We're going to use every bit. Don't run through it. Make another book if you want to do your own sketches, or you could just make another one if you run out. And you can write your name on here somewhere. You can write Sketchbook 2020, summer of 2020, or whatever year it is. It's 2020 right now, but who knows? Some person from the future might be watching this in 2022 and be making a sketchbook. So it'd be very confusing if they wrote 2020. All right, you can do it. I believe in you.